Patrick Rice. I'm a GP registrar since February, so 2024. Yeah. I'm a training GP, seeing patients with all sorts of problems, acute, chronic, and kids, people with chronic diseases, and a lot of pregnancy related and antenatal care, and so just managing a lot of various sorts of things that you can see in general practice, from sore toes to sore ears and everything in between. Yeah. Just getting to see success. Sometimes it's just like seeing people's lives change for the better, and the little wins. It's every time you successfully get someone to quit smoking, or their diabetes is better controlled, or you just actually improve someone's quality of life and made a difference in a way that you can actually sort of measure. Sometimes it's sometimes not so easy as it would sound, but I guess it's probably the most rewarding thing. Also fixing a problem like flushing out an ear and they can hear again. Simple, always easy, and rewarding because you've actually fixed the problem. You need to do a bit of that. Yeah. No, this is my first year. I've always I'm doing training with the ACCHO College, which has a focus in rural, remote, and tropical health, and Aboriginal health is hand in hand with that. So I've previously worked in other regional remote towns, and incarcerated services, and so I think this working here really gives the opportunity to have all the resources, and work as a part of a bigger team. Yeah, it's really benefits there. I just think that there's a lot of unrecognized, untreated, undervalued people who deserve as much time and access to medicine as everyone else, and that's what I believe in, and I think it's a great place to work, and it's great job to do. And I think the general practice is a great job that it gives so much flexibility in terms of you can make it whatever you want nowadays, and particularly the sort of models that are coming up with rural medicine, where you can work in the hospital, you can deliver babies, you can be the anaesthetist, you could then also work in the general practice setting, which people will understand more. Like, it's an incredibly varied and diverse job that really is setting people up to be jacks of all trade, and really provide that cradle to grave service that everyone sort of aims and wishes for.